Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd give you a fair warning, like a heads up, that I'm still figuring out my tripod. I got a new one, and so I got a double chin going on, so don't mind that, but I'll see you guys in the next scene. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe!
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show you guys like lip swatches of this lip gloss set that I had bought. It's by Manna, Kadar. Sorry if I butchered the name, if that's not how you pronounce it. But yeah, it comes with these beautiful 11-piece set of lip glosses. Look, oh, how beautiful is that? It is like gorgeous. And I promise you I'm not sponsored. It's just me wanting to review these for you because I saw a girl on Instagram use them not too long ago and I was like, "Ooh, girl, that's cute." And then I saw it at Burlington and I was like, "Oh, the price tag is even cuter because it's not expensive." But yeah, I'll just go ahead and swatch them for you guys. I feel like the lady on The Price is Right, where she's like, "You have won, dun 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 dun, a lip gloss set." I swear, these are cute though, but they look like liquid lipsticks. And they all come in like different shades and stuff, so maybe they might have some for like every skin tone. But let's get into the swatches and we shall see.
Okay guys, so let's just go on ahead and get right to it. First I'm going in with this nude lip gloss shade. I have no idea what the shade names are, but I'll try to leave them in the description box. But basic knowledge, you just want to go in with your nude shade first, your nudes, and I like this one so far. It was, pretty natural, and I was like, ooh, girl. And next I'm going in with Cake Lips, aka concealer, because I had a little bit of red lipstick on before. Ooh, let's zoom in a little bit. Ooh, that's so nice. Just kidding, but we're gonna blend it out. You gotta blend. I don't want to look like I have cake frosting on. And now I'm going in with this other nude shade. This is more of like a peachy nude, a very light brown. But this shade was not one that was up my alley. And again, everything's different on everybody else, so what I might not like, you might like. But it was alright, and the texture on these are all the same, so it feels really good, and it's not sticky. It's more of a lip stain. And now we're going in with this brown. Now I really dig this brown. This is more my color. I felt like it matched my jacket too, so I was feeling this color. I like it. And it's more of like a spice brown. Ooh, there we go. And now we're moving on to the more mauve shades, which is my comfort zone too. I'm comfortable here. I like this. I feel like I can pull it off. And see? I like this one. They all feel the same, like I said. And it's by Manna Kadar. I'm so sorry if I butcher the name, but I like these, and I bought it at Burlington for 12 bucks. I mean, why not? It's better than paying $40, which is what I saw it online for. So, it comes with 11 of them. It's really nice. And I thought I would just, give it a try and swatch it for you guys and let you guys see and comment down below if you've tried it. Next is this vivid, Barbie pink. Yeah, as you can tell, this shade, I don't usually reach for this one, but if I did, I'd go for, just a wing eyeliner, keep it simple, not too much going on the face, but I really like it. I like this color. It's for color, the days I'm feeling colorful or a little extra. And now I'm removing it. The hardest part I would say of these is they're kind of stained, so it's getting the color off of there. But this one wasn't too bad. It didn't stain my lips too bad, so. But I'm going in with concealer just to try to cover it up because I want to give y'all the truest shade match. And now I'm going in with another pink, and I'm showing you guys the doe foot applicator. I'm sorry I forgot to show y'all earlier, but it's just your basic doe foot applicator, nothing fancy or anything. This one is a little bit of a more toned down pink of the color that we just swatched, which I felt more comfortable in this one too. But then again, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of this pink color anyways, but it's pretty. It still feels the same as all the other ones. Not oily, but not sticky. It feels just right. removing it again. You know, the whole shebang. Now, here's the coral color. I don't like coral colors like lipsticks because I feel like I can't pull them off. But my mom is like one that can pull these off, so I might end up giving this one to her. But it's really pretty. It still feels the same, and I just wasn't feeling it as much as I was the other ones. But it's all right. The color's nice. Nothing else is different about it. So. Oh yeah, and of course we gotta zoom in. Look at that. Look at that pigment. I'm so shocked at that. And I haven't had to double dip on any of these. So I was so surprised that like I could just go in once with my lips and like not have to double dip or anything like that. I like this one. I do. I like this color. And there we go. Just removing it again, and it stains. Now we're going with the dark reds. Dun dun dun. These are the scary ones. But I actually really ended up liking this red color. It was my favorite red. Woo! Do you see that? I do. I like this. This is the kind that you wear at Christmas. The kind that gives you white teeth. You know, make you look like got pearly whites in there. And it's not an orangey red. Unlike the next one, well, it wasn't orangey red, but the next one was just more of a neutral red. So I prefer this first one before this next color lipstick. But yeah, that one's nice also. See, this one is still pretty. I was just glad it wasn't orangey red because I really don't like orange red lipsticks. But this one is nice. Still good for Christmas time. And sorry about the uneven applications. I'm just trying to swatch it for you guys, so my lips are probably lopsided. Yay! We finally did it! The last one! The last lipstick. Oops! Ah! Oh. Alright, well thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!